Now come to question number 5. Find a part 1 upon 2 of 24. See the solution. A part, first part. It is 1 upon 2 of 24. Here of is converted into multiplication. It can be written as 1 upon 2 into 24. Here cancel the terms 2 and 24 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 12 ja 24. Here your answer is 12. Now second part, it is 1 upon 2 of 46. Again solve it. It can be written as 1 upon 2 into 46. Here cancel 2 and 46. 2 1 ja and 2 23 ja 46. Multiply it, you will get 23. This is your answer. Now come to B part. B first part, it is 2 upon 3 of 18. This can be written as 2 upon 3 of means into 18. Here cancel the terms 3 and 18 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 6 ja 18, and here 2 into 6 12. Your answer is 12. Now come to second part. It is 2 upon 3 of 27. This can be written as 2 upon 3 of is into 27. Here again simplify, cancel 3 and 27 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 9 ja 27. Multiply 2 into 9, it is 18. Your answer is 18. Now come to C part. C first part. It is 3 upon 4 of 16. This can be written as 3 upon 4 into 16. Here cancel 4 and 16 by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 4 ja 16. Multiply 3 into 4. 3 4 ja 12. This is your answer. Now second part. 3 upon 4 of 36. This can be written as 3 upon 4 into 36. Here cancel 4 and 36 by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 9 ja 36. Multiply 3 into 9. 3 9 ja 27. This is your answer. Then come to D part. D first part. It is 4 upon 5 of 20. This can be written as 4 upon 5 into 20. Here cancel 5 and 20 by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 4 ja 20. Multiply 4 into 4. It is 16. This is your answer. Then come to second part. It is 4 upon 5 of 35. This can be written as 4 upon 5 into 35. Here cancel 5 and 35 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja 35, 4 7 ja 28. Your answer is 28. Now come to question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. See the solution. A part, it is 3 into 5, 1 upon 5. This can be written as 3 into 5, 1 upon 5 converted into improper fraction. It can be written as 5 5 is 25 plus 1, 26 upon 5. This can be written as 3 into 26 upon 5, multiply it. You will get 78 upon 5, convert it into mixed fraction. You will get 15, 3 upon 5. Come to B part. It is 5 into 6, 3 upon 4. This can be written as 5 into, convert into improper fraction. 6 4 ja 24 plus 3, 27 upon 4. This can be written as 5 into 27 upon 4. Multiply 5 into 27. You will get 135 upon 4. Convert into mixed fraction. It is 33 3 upon 4. This is your answer. Now come to C part. It is 7 into 2, 1 upon 4. This can be written as 7 into 2 4 ja 8 plus 1, 9 upon 4. This can be written as 7 into 9 upon 4. That is 63 upon 4. Convert into mixed fraction. You will get 15 3 upon 4. This is your answer. Now come to D part. It is 4 into 6, 1 upon 3. This can be written as 4 into, convert 6 1 upon 3 into improper fraction. 6 3 ja 18 plus 1 19 upon 3. This can be written as 4 into 19 upon 3. 19 4 ja 76 upon 3. Convert it into mixed fraction. It can be written as 25 1 upon 3. This is your answer. Now come to E part. It is 3 1 upon 4 into 6 This can be written as convert into improper fraction 3 4 ja 12 1 13 13 upon 4 into 6 here you can cancel this 4 and 6 by 2 this is 2 2 3 ja 6 multiply it 13 into 3 upon 2 13 3 ja 39 upon 2 convert into mixed fraction you will get 19 1 upon 2 this is your answer. Now come to F part. It is 3 2 upon 5 into 8 convert into improper fraction 3 5 are 15 plus 2 17 17 upon 5 into 8 this can be written as 17 into 8 upon 5 17 8 is 136 upon 5 convert it into mixed fraction you will get 27 1 upon 5 this is your answer.